Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is time for a sneak peek at the November limited edition box. It is called Falling for Sparkle. We are doing 4 limited edition scents again. Just might as well plan on that. We will have upgrade pens. And I did increase the number of full-sized boxes to 30. I was originally at 20. I dabbled with 25. Halloween we did 50, but that's Halloween. So I bumped it to 30 full-size boxes, so I'm about to show you a full size, and then also we will have 12 minis, which is an upgrade because I normally do 5 to 8. We're now doing 12, so we'll see how it goes this month, and if it does well, I'll keep going or I'll just keep it at that. December may have more, I haven't decided. So, one quick thing, if you do not want to sit and fight for these, because they do release on the 1st of every month at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific. I do have a membership option in my channel. There should be a join button down there. I'll try to also leave the link. Now, you will not, if you join today, be able to snag this box. However, if you join today, you will be able to reserve the December box. It's a month ahead. I do explain it in my latest whip-in chat as well. But yeah, I did finally release that because you guys were asking, so you can reserve your box, and that includes you'll be reserving the upgrade pen, full size, and all that. All right, so you will see the theme very quickly as we open this. Gold! All right, so we have our 4 limited edition scents. Now, Frosted Cranberry is, yes, the same from Bath & Body Works. Then we also have Midnight Pomegranate, Vanilla Fig, and Bourbon and Butterscotch. As always, you can get all 4. You can get the 4 putties, 4 waxes, all putty, all wax, pick one scent. You can totally mix and match. So here they are in the putties, and I'll open those in just a minute. And this is the full-size basic pen box. So here is our cover minder. This is the lovely Miss Goldie, the Maple Leaf. I name all my cover minders. So she has like this little sparkle effect. I'm still working on creating actual sparkle, and I'll put a layer of resin, but a girl only has so much time. They do come with a nice strong magnet, so strong that I can stack these and pick them up by a stack. So that is going to be in there. You can buy this separate too. So if you don't get a box, you still have an opportunity to grab that. Now, the drills this month. We have a Crystal AB in gold. It's hard to see the gold because a lot of them are backwards, but they're in there. And then we have this gorgeous like plum purple to go along with the theme. Also a square crystal. You will get a washi tape. They come in red, brown, orange, I think a yellow, and then they all have like a gold foiling. Some have leaves, some have pumpkins. Then you will get just a maple leaf or fall leaf sticker. I know you're seeing that. Now, the basic pen is really not very basic. I'm trying more and more to get better basic pens, so that way if you can't upgrade, you get something worth it. So this has like a white and gold swirly finish, and then rose gold tips. So there you go, but it's not just that. You also get all of these tips, plus these little plastic rings that help your tips actually stay in. So you get a full set, including an angled placer, and that. So that is one reason the basic box is a little bit higher this month, is the price for these pens. Obviously these are costing more to acquire, but then also the tray went even more custom this month. So I work with Creations by LEP, that's what that stands for, and we created this purpley glitter tray with the gold maple leaves and then gold stripes on the inside. It's been really fun just collaborating with her. Oh my gosh, the December one, so adorable. So yeah, the December one is really, really cute. And like I said, if you sign up for the one membership that reserves the boxes, you can actually, well, get that December one without fighting people for it. Now, The upgrade pen this month is stunning. The purple is spot on. I mean, look at that rich purple color. But then those are maple leaves inside the resin. And when you turn it, like this camera is not even doing justice, and I'm filming in 8K. But it's not like last month where they were kind of appliques. This is in the resin. And so every turn you just find more, and each one's unique, but you have the leaves in there. She literally bought like this set and it had green ones, so she had to hand pluck the green and silver out. But it is a gorgeous pen. I might keep one for myself. I shouldn't. I don't need any more pens, but it was so pretty. So we had a lot of customization here. The chunkier glitters and the extras we did. So yes, things are a little bit more, but not by much. I tried to only increase it honestly. The boxes increased each by $1. So that wasn't too bad considering. But let's go over it then so you can see. So if you do the full-size box, that gets you the 2 sets of drills, the basic pen, unless you upgrade, but we'll talk about that in a minute. The basic pen, the tray, the cover minder, the washi tape and sticker, which I know just seem like useless fillers, but they're really not. And then always at the top of the list is the primary limited edition scent, but you don't have to necessarily just go with that one. That's just there for an option. So this is the full size kit. Of course the jets would fly by when I don't need them to. Ugh. But this is the full size box. Now, let me just throw that over there. You can upgrade. So you have the upgrade pen still in the full size box. So you'll get that. Now, if you want to do the mini automatically comes with the pen and everything else. So you automatically get an upgrade pen. You just don't get a tray. That's the mini. And then again, you can mix and match whatever you want. Do you want just one putty and one wax? You can. The scents do have to be the same though. So if you get one putty, one wax, it has to be the same one. You can't mix and match from there. That's the only way we can keep things sort of discounted. So let's talk about how these are going to look. All of them, that one's good. You have a leaf shape, so that will be fun. So that is our frosted cranberry friend right there. Bourbon and butterscotch. This one is a unique scent. It's like woodsy and buttery, and yet, I don't know, it's good. It's got something going on there. But the fall leaf again. I just felt like fall leaves seemed appropriate with all the leaves we had. Okay, vanilla fig. This one is, you can really smell the fig and like that very hint of vanilla. Not overly fruity. Like this one's pretty fruity. This one's more subtle. Midnight pomegranate. Do keep in mind the colors of our leaves will change. It's honestly just in the mood while making them. Sometimes we're just low on certain colors, but they'll all be shaped like a fall leaf. They should hold up pretty well in shipping, and now that it's cooler. If you've been getting Autumn Ember, which is Katie from Diamond and Washi's scent, it has a leaf shape and it's been holding up. So has my Pure Fallish. So yeah, this one has such a unique smell. I don't know. It's got a ton of notes in it, but those are the 4 limited edition scents. Now, do you want to reserve a box? Like I said, I do have that option now. I'll leave the links in the description below. And I kind of want to go over that real quick. But basically, if you sign up in October, you're eligible to reserve the December box. So it's always a month over. Now, the fee is simply for reserving. I will still have to be going through, creating a custom listing. You do get the option to reject the box if you don't want it, but you also get the option to tell me if you want the upgrade, how many scents you want. You'll get also updates right now what's coming in that December box. People who are already members are seeing, I believe I uploaded the tray already, a picture of the December tray, and you have to be a member of that tier to see it. And then I'm going to be uploading a pen picture here pretty soon. So they'll be seeing things months in advance. And that way, the week before they launch, I can ask, okay, who wants a reservation? I may increase it and actually start asking 3 weeks in advance in case I want to add on more pens or increase the number of full-size boxes. Because here's the one thing. With every reservation, that is a box taken off of inventory in Etsy. I'm not making extra yet. I have 5 members right now, so if I did 30 boxes in December, there's actually only 25 now going up for sale on Etsy because I have 5 people who have reserved them. Whether they've reserved the full size or the mini, that I won't know till later. But that is one thing you need to keep in mind, is it will decrease how many actually launch on launch day. Now, if I get enough members and I can get enough people ahead of time saying, oh, I want that box, I want that upgrade pen, I may increase the number of boxes so that 30 still show up and 6 are reserved. It's just something I'm going to have to play around with because it's a lot more complicated. So you can join though. If you do, then on launch day, I will get in touch with you, finalize what scents you want and just send you your listing, and you could send me a message at noon on that day. These all sell out within the hour, if that. The Halloween box actually hung around for an hour, but that was because there was 50. The last time I did an increase to 25, they were still gone in 20 minutes. This one I could guarantee is going to be gone in a half hour, if that. So just keep that in mind. That includes the minis and the full-size box. So just hop on early. And then also there's other things that will be launching on the 1st that I always launch on the 1st. So in addition to the limited edition box, both the full-size and the mini, I have a separate listing just for the scents. So if you just want to buy the scents. And then I have a listing for all of the cover minders that are exclusive to that month. I usually try to do 3 or 4, but lately I've been bumping it up, so there's 7. I'm going to put a picture somewhere showing you what's launching on the 1st for the cover minders. So those go live that day as well, and those will be November only. So basically you can snag all the November goodies that day. So yeah, lots of things launching tomorrow, and my book actually goes live on Amazon. So I've got my book releasing on the same day as all this. I did not plan that well. But I will leave a link if you want to snag that on Kindle or paperback. I always appreciate it. And yeah, let me know what you think. I'm super excited for this one. I love this scent. If I had to pick a second, probably Vanilla Fig, then Midnight Pomegranate. I threw this one in because it's a really popular seller in my wax melts. So I was like, I'm going to throw that one out. But either way, if you only go with a basic pen, you are still getting a really good pen with really good tips. So that's one way to look at it. Or you get this gorgeous thing. Gosh, I'm like, oh, should I have done more? So yeah, until next time, take care. Bye now.